What's up, guys? What's going on? Hey, so if you're new to crypto, you might be wondering, what is blockchain? What is blockchain technology? Here's a beginner's guide to explain it. Um, hey there, crypto newbie. If you're dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you've probably heard the term blockchain tossed around. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of blockchain as a backbone of crypto. In this easy guide, I'll break it down step by step, using simple words and examples. By the end, you'll get why it's such a big deal. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is blockchain? At its core, blockchain it's like a digital ledger, a super secure notebook that records transactions. But unlike a regular notebook, it's not controlled by one person or company. Instead, it's shared across thousands of computers worldwide. This makes it decentralized, meaning no single boss is in charge. Everyone can see the records, but no one can sneakily change them. The name blockchain comes from how it works. Data is stored in blocks, and these blocks are linked together in a chain. Each block holds a bunch of info, like who sent money to whom, and it's sealed with a special code. Once added, it's permanent. Like writing in ink that can't be erased. How does blockchain work? With a simple analogy, imagine a group of friends keeping track of who owes money after a pizza party. Instead of one friend writing it down, who might cheat, everyone has a copy of the list. When someone pays up, they all update their lists at the same time and agree it's correct. In blockchain, a transaction happens. Say you send one Bitcoin to a friend. It's grouped into a block. The block includes your transaction plus others, like a batch of mail. Computers, called nodes, verify it. They solve a puzzle to confirm it's real. No fakes allowed. The block is added to the chain. It's linked to the previous block with a unique code, a hash, making tampering obvious. Copies update everywhere. The whole network gets the new chain. This process is called mining. In some blockchains, where computers compute to add blocks and earn rewards. Why is blockchain awesome? Key features. Blockchain isn't just crypto, it's revolutionary because of these perks. Security. Hacking one computer won't work. You need to hack over half the network, plus encryption keeps data safe. Transparency. Anyone can view the ledger, but personal details stay private. Immutability. Once recorded, changes are impossible without everyone noticing. No middlemen. Forget banks or companies taking fees. Transactions are direct and fast. Trust without trusting. You don't need to know the other person. The system ensures fairness. Real world uses beyond crypto. Crypto is blockchain's star child. Bitcoin uses it for digital money, but it's bigger. Supply chains track food from farm to table to ensure fairness or freshness. to ensure freshness. Voting, secure, tamper-proof elections, healthcare, share medical records safely. NFTs prove ownership of digital art or collectibles. Challenges: it can be slow and energy hungry, like Bitcoin mining, but newer versions like Ethereum 2.0 are fixing that. Wrapping up, why should you care? Blockchain is changing how we handle money, data, and trust online. It's the tech powering a decentralized future where power isn't in the hands of a few. As a newbie, start by exploring wallets or simple apps. Remember, it's still evolving, so stay curious. Hopefully that helps you guys understand a little bit more about what blockchain is. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below if you have any comments or questions. I'd be happy to help. And also, if you guys want to get some free crypto, if you're just starting out on crypto, you want to get some free cryptocurrency, why not? You can sign up under one of my links, one of the crypto exchanges. They're all offering free crypto on deposit. I believe Coinbase is going to give you like $20 free when you deposit. Uphold, the same thing. We also have apps like BTCC and BitTrue that offer leverage trading, which means you can trade with more than your money, basically, and make a heck of a lot more. But you must be careful with that, especially if you're a newbie. Tread carefully with leverage trading. But links are in the description. Just click onto that simple.bio link if you want to get some free crypto, guys. I appreciate you all so much. Like I said, leave me a comment down below, smash the like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.